Today we're talking about nature craft paper. Nature craft paper uses natural objects such as leaves, flowers, eggs, shells, twigs, stones, and pebbles. So a wide array of different natural shapes that children can use on the collage table for easy gluing. It's also a fantastic way to talk about our environment and nature. These pieces are fairly intricate, so they pop out very easily so that children can use them. They don't have to cut anything. And what I like about it is you can take these pieces and come up with your own animal or your own people. You can be very creative with this nature craft paper. And we have a website that you can go to get alternate ideas on how to use the nature paper. And here's an example of what you'll find on the website.